This is the M56, an air-transportable 90mm self-propelled gun being produced for airborne missions. Here it is being loaded aboard a C-119 aircraft for a test drop, one of a series which research and development is conducting to test the feasibility of dropping the M56 at various altitudes and impact velocities. This gun will be a vital weapon in an airborne mission. It is a fully tracked anti-tank gun capable of providing the firepower, maneuverability, and mobility necessary to the defense of an airhead against attack by enemy armor. With its aluminum chassis, pneumatic tires, and belt-type tracks, it weighs only 8 tons. It has an exceedingly low ground pressure, only 4.5 pounds, which is less than the ground pressure of a man with rifle and field equipment. For airdropping, it is rigged with 6 100-foot parachutes. As the vehicle strikes the ground, its parachute automatically disengages. Troops in the area can put the vehicle into action in less than 1 minute.